Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to discuss about tree topology, and this is going to be last video on topologies using Cisco Packet Tracer. After this video we will discuss about other things related to Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so to implement tree topology I am going to take some switches. So let's take this switch. This is going to be root of the tree, another switch, and another switch. Switch 1 and switch 2 is going to be child of switch 0. Okay, now switch 3 and switch 4 is going to be child of switch 1, and switch 5 and switch 6 is going to be child of switch 2. Okay, now we will take the corresponding PC to connect with our switch. Okay, let's take PC 0 for switch 0, PC1 for switch 1, PC2 for switch 2, and PC3 for switch 3, and PC4 for switch 4, PC5 for switch 5, and PC6 for switch 6. Okay, now we had taken the corresponding PC for our switch. Now it's time to connect them. So let's connect first PCs with switches. PC0 and switch 0 connection has been established. Same for switch 1 and PC1. Now switch 2 and PC2. Now switch 3 and PC3, and switch 4 and PC4. Now switch 5 and PC5, and switch 6 and PC6. Okay, now connection has been established between PCs and switches. Now it's time to connect switches. So we had connected the child of switch 0, those are switch 1 and switch 2. Now let's connect the child of switch 1 with those are switch 3 and switch 4. Okay, we had connected. Now it's time to connect switch 2 with its child. Those are switch 5 and switch 6. Okay, we had connected. Okay, it's done. So you can see it is creating tree-like structure where switch 0 is the root and rest are the children. Switch 1 and switch 2 are children of switch 0, and same for the switch 1. Switch 1 is parent for switch 3 and switch 4, and the switch 2 is parent for switch 5 and switch 6. So we had established the connection as per the arrangement. So this structure is in a particular network. So then it makes sense that we assign the IP address for individual PC. So let's take this network is something 192.168. Okay, it is 192.168. Let's take 12 dot not 1. It's going to be, let's take 2. Okay, this is our network. 192.168.12.0 is our network. So we had put it in PC 0. Okay, now come to this PC, which is correspondent of switch 1, and this is going to be 3. Okay, now come to this is going to be 4. Now come to PC3, this is going to be 5, and PC4, this is going to be PC6, and this is going to be PC7, and this is going to be PC8. Okay, this is it. Okay, we had set up the IP address for each individual PC in our network. Okay, so if we send the packet, suppose if you are sending packet from root to suppose PC1. Okay, so it is failed. Let's try again. Let's send PC0 to PC1. Now it is successful. You can see it. Now let's try simulation. Okay, in simulation, suppose if you are sending packet from PC0 to PC4, is it going or not? So let's play it. In first time switch broadcast, because switch is not all these switches are not aware like what are the systems, what are the devices are connected with particular switch. So in first time they broadcast, and when they recognize okay these devices with these IP address are connected with our network, then it doesn't broadcast, then it unicast. Okay, so you can see the packet has been reached successfully. Okay, okay, now message is going back. Now it has reached to our source, and the status down below you can see is successful. It means that our topology is working perfectly. If you want to send here to here, okay, let's delete it. Suppose if you want to send this from child to parent or maybe root node, so is it going? Let's see. As you can see, switch 2 has broadcast the message because it was not aware first that which IP address with which IP address systems are connected with this switch. Now the packet will go back and reach to our destination. Then it is going to send back the message to PC6. Now packet is going. First time it takes time, and if you send it second time, it is go easily. Now it will send back the message that yeah, I have got the packet. It is going to show the status successful. Okay, it is showing successful. So this was the tree topology, and make sure that you have assigned IP address to each and individual computer, and those are end devices in our network. Okay, so that is what for tree topology, and with this video we have completed all the topologies, and in upcoming video we will discuss other things related to Cisco packet tracers. So thank you for watching. We will meet in next video.